She give me love and make I can't take. She say, give me yo, this your love and say you don't feel. She did toss in my brain, like a football. Say this your love is to the complain. Love and I give you no they appreciate it. Say baby come.
Baby, I want us to plan. I want us to plan as family that we are. I notice I've not been going well so far. But despite they have started me, thank God we still have something to fall back to. I'm not starting from the scratch. We still have something to start something good. So by the grace of God, from the little I'll be able to save when I was still with ACB Monetary Bank, please, I want us to start a mini business with that. At least I'll be able to save something like 1.6 million.
Baby, yeah. 1.6 million naira.
Yeah, 1.6.
You're my world best.
Yeah.
I know you're always working hard to make me happy. Baby, I love you. So what are we going to do with the money?
Definitely, as I told you before, you go with 600, I'll go with 1 million. Let's see what we can
do. No. Baby, just give me the whole money so that I'll use it to start up a business. It's okay like that.
Hey, come on, not again. Come on. Let me go with 1M, you go with 600, okay?
No, it's going to go this way. You give me the 1M and go with 600.
Okay, I should give you the 1M.
Yes, so that I'll use it to start up a business, at least a boutique business. You know I need to take care of a lot of things. I'll take care of the kitchen, I'll buy food stuff and the rest of the things I need. So I don't want to be disturbing you. Then I'll use the remaining one to start up a business.
Is that what you need?
So that I won't disturb you. Why you go with the 6?
That will make you happy, right?
Yeah.
That will make you happy.
Yes.
You'll be perfect with that, right?
Yes.
Okay, there's no issue. But please, look for a business you know you can manage. A business you know you are good at.
Yeah, trust me on that.
Okay, I believe you. I trust your estate. So which of your bank account am I going to transfer the money to?
Just transfer it to my GT bank.
The GT, right? Okay.
Successful.
Yeah, successful.
Oh baby, I love you. Thank you.
So let's let me
Cha. My cable one boom. Hey, Madam don't hear money. He don't hear 1.6 million naira. He don't love you. Don't start thinking. My cable one boom. No. At all. Kai. You no go work. At all. You no go work. Frodo. Alpha, my guy. Frodo, Alpha.
1.6 million naira. That means this man have money. He has money. For him to have that kind of money, and he has been letting me nag Eve all this while. He has money, and now the 1 million. I will not use it all. I will use 400,000 for the boutique business. Yes, that's what I will do. Then the remaining 600,000. I need to change my wardrobe. I'll buy makeup, do all that things. Good. That's what I will do. Because that man has money. I'm sure he has money.
Hey, stop there!
What? What's happened? Hey! Baby!
welcome.
Who did you tell? Hey! I said, who did you tell?
Hey, what?
Hey!
Why you like to sit on the ground?
Hey! I will sit on the ground though. For the very first time you gave me money, 1 million naira. For the very first time you give me that huge amount of money. The money, they've stolen it. They robbed me!
They robbed you?
Hey.
You didn't tell me you were going to withdraw money. Like, what? How did it happen?
I went this afternoon to go and cash the money. On my way coming, they robbed me. And I'm sure it's you. For the very first time you're giving me a huge amount of money. That way. He robbed me. Hey! No, I will not.
Down.
No,
What did you take?
Who did you tell? I was supposed to be asking you. What is this? For the very first time, you're giving me huge amount. Capena, you went to campaign it to the whole world. Now they've gone. They've stolen money. The money is gone.
I should be the one mad there.
So you will give me that money back. No, I will not accept. I will not accept. No, 1 million. No, I will not accept. You went to campaign it for the very first time. You are giving me money. You went to campaign it. Now they've stolen the money. How come? It's you and I that have the conversation. Who else? Who
I
else?
didn't tell anybody for God's sake.
You don't people. You don't.
I didn't tell anybody.
Anybody.
Don't you know that you are not supposed to withdraw that money at this era of this technology? You are still withdrawing money.
Now you are saying
you do cashless international. Don't you know that?
It's the same thing. Is it not the same thing? I want it is there. I wanted to get something that I need. I need to cash the money. I need my money. My money.
It's okay. Don't worry. We are going to fix that. It's okay.
I will not stand
Get
up.
up. Stand up. It's okay. Get yourself together. Get yourself together. Come on. It's okay.
Get over this thing now. Why are you letting me copy your place?
Yeah, you would understand. 1 million naira gone just like that. At this critical moment of my life, damn it, man.
Like, what is she doing?
I don't know. Like, she wanted opening a business. You know, I told her everything now that I should give her 1 million out of the 1.6 left. So, what sort of, just to settle, just to make peace at home. I just decided to give her the 1M. And now she went to the bank. She didn't even tell me anything. She went withdraw the money at this time. Still doing cash transfer. Oh my God. Damn it.
I understand the pain. We just calm down.
No, okay. We all know that. Okay, even when you make a song without promoting the song, it's nothing. The 600K that was there, I was thinking of how to use that 600K, do some little things based on entertainment, promote the song. Man, you need to understand.
I understand, man. I understand. Just calm down. See, I'm done with you. Let's just start something. Let's start working on it now.
Man, no, not today, please, not today. Man.
I'm trying to calm down now. Anyway, that's what I just be sure.
What kind of color is this? I can't stay in this house, so. You just went to go and rent very tight apartment just because I misplaced his 1 million naira. I don't like it at all. Look at the way I'm suffocating. Where is it safe? I'm busy here complaining and he's here sleeping. In fact,
you go kill person, baby, get me like no like yeah. He get boom mad. Baby girl, he get boom mad. He get.
Since when I enter this one, I so bad dream now. I enjoy the dream. Which kind of thing be all this one? Hi. So God no purposely they punish me. So bad dream. They press my neck for dream. You are not tired. Which kind of living this orgasm calling for this kind of place? See room, see everywhere. See electric. Turn that thing blow, it go strike me overnight. I'll just die. See electric. You go all the whole room. Now the room may silly 1 for 4 for top of person head. Then go put me. See me with this so that I will just the will just fall overnight. I will just die. Now wow. Since I entered this room, I never sleep. I don't know. It's so bad dream now. The dream. I don't know that the wish. Now my neck is see. You know they press my leg. Huh? My neck, they always press. I will pray. Wait. God will answer my prayer as well. I'm a charm. Charm with this. Like every night now before I sleep, I'll do here. I bet to just wake up middle of the night. Bad dream now will be dream.
performing activities. Look at the way. Are you not even feeling the heat in this place?
No. This place is cold though. It's as if there's AC here safe. As if there's I'm even catching cold safe.
Cold. How would you say the year is cold when you know what you are doing? Come on. Put me inside over.
Wow.
You called me.
Yes, I called you.
I beg talk. Say what you want to say.
Okay.
Why did you call me?
Okay, I'm coming. Let me say this thing. What is this thing?
You talk now. Just get me and I'm sweating. Family activities for nothing.
Calm down now. Why are you so much in a hurry? Is this place not your house? Okay, if you should go now, where are you going to? Is it not your house?
You call this one house? I beg. So, see what you want to say.
Does this place look like a bush bar?
Let me go outside and receive fresh air.
Why? Anyway, yeah, I called you. I want us to like series it to some things, you understand? Because no, we've moved to a new apartment now. So since we've moved to a new apartment, there are some things, and somehow this is a convenient place, and though it looks smaller, so I don't think the house will be needful here again, because no less work to do. The parlor is not that big. I can go assist you sometimes to clean those stuff, and most importantly, you know, the source of income now is.
So that's why you called me here. The house boy will not be part of us again. Why?
The house boy has family, for God's sake. Let him go. We've tried over 2 years now.
It's now you know the house boy has family. Since he has been working day and night for you, don't know he has family. Is it the house boy that caused you to lose your job?
Of course not. So now, no resources again, no job.
Is he complaining? Don't even go there.
This guy is not complaining.
He has not done anything wrong for you to send him away. And it's part of this family for final land.
Moreover, don't you see?
There's no need for you to moreover. Don't moreover anything here. The house boy is going nowhere. I'm already used to him.
The house boy have to go.
He's going nowhere. And if that is why you call me here, I'm not part of this discussion.
It's okay. Are you sure? Yeah, it's okay. Okay, no problem. Yeah, so,
I really want to ensure that this album is complete on time, because my dad is really on me. Too much pressure. You know, doing what your dad wants you to do is something really important. But one thing is that there are some kind of artists I need. Okay. So, considering the title of the album, we need some selected type of artists. Okay. The specific type of chords. Okay. And okay,
for featuring, right?
Yes.
Don't worry. I have too many artists.
So maybe you introduce me to some.
Definitely.
I will see if they can do what I want. If you can,
Definitely.
that will be good.
Definitely. When if you come, you need some. Just take care of yourself. Together now, all this. Everything. Come on, you.
Yeah, it's not easy, man. You guys are really trying. I saw Patrick Quality outside. I know that side. Don't tell me it's coming from your studio.
You mean PW?
Yeah, PW.
Yes, now definitely now.
Guy, you blow. Seriously? PW your studio?
Yes, now.
I don't understand. What happened? What did you do here?
You need to work on this album now.
His album?
Sure.
Seriously? Wait. I don't. Are you serious? Oh, yeah,
No, I'm not joking. I'm serious. For sure.
Patrick Quality. Sure. Work on this album here.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to Lagos? Other good places?
What do you mean? Is it because I'm just managing? Forget. As in, this place is producing good sound, man. We are producing good sound here. It's not just about what you see, it's about the quality that I make. You're very funny. You don't make me laugh. Okay, because just say this. No. I'm my person now. I'm an artist, so just run out now. So I'm fine. I'm not done.
Right.
Why you so?
What are you saying? PW of all people.
Yes,
son of a millionaire.
Yes, now. Go on.
You don't blow. You don't blow.
The guy, they appreciate my work now.
Seriously.
Yes, now.
Wow, I love that.
It's not fun, I agree.
I do.
You care for your Peter.
She give me love, make I contact. She say, give me yo, this your love, say you don't fail.
Madam.
Pardon.
Why your voice can't go down now? You dey watch you?
I feel
You dey enjoy?
Just
So wait, madam. You don't decide say oga kind of life now you want live now, be? You comfortable for here?
I'm not comfortable.
You dey watch him now. You dey watch him. You know even dey.
Not quite wrong.
See
You should come and see
your skin. Now like this you felt it before. Just how many days? Just change.
What to do now?
You should be what to do. Better find what you want to do. No be say what to do. I know they use math say what to do. Now action. Me maybe like say my see me your how many days I don't change color. I mean me forget say at the wash plate they do housework. Me I see soft too. I don't still like all this kind of stuff moving on. That don't decide so now suffer for my life. Ah. So they feel itself, eh? Fan or they blow, it go be like say fan or they blow. Okay, be like say you say you enjoy. Me I want go outside go to receive fresh. If now that our former small offended before self, they will be sit down and do anything for yourself.
I told him before.
You know told
I
them.
was complaining.
You know told them. You know told them. You know told them.
Okay.
You know told them.
You even said that they was cold in this place.
Madam, you know told them. You know told them. Now this English, you know they spoil everything. You say you told him. You know told them anything.
What will I do now?
Now you know. Oh, Oga get money. Oga get money. You mean not say he get money?
Even me, I'm suspecting
he get money.
it.
He get money. Me and there after I go receive fresh air. I no fit stay this place.
Which kind of marriage is this? Eh? This man will not kill me with sulfur.
This place is a little bit hot today. Why is this place this hot? And why if you call yourself a beg?
This one you are wearing jeans and towel on your neck, even inside the bedroom.
I'm touching cold though.
Cold?
It's cold, yes. It's cold.
Cold.
Yes, it's cold.
And you are not wearing shirt.
Yes, well, actually, they just affecting my legs. From my leg down to my waist. From my waist upward, I'm not feeling cold.
And look at you. And look at it on your face.
No, this is not it. I'm not sweating no, at all. It's water vapor. Sorry, cold vapor. Sweat. What? Cold vapor.
Are you okay? You are even confused.
I'm not okay. Oh. I'm not letter O, neither K.
Water vapor, cold vapor.
Yes,
and you say you are okay.
I said I'm not okay. I'm not letter O, neither K.
By the way.
The way.
Baby, how much do you even rent this place?
Money.
Before? Is it paper they used to rent house? I know it's money. How much? How much is it? The amount?
I said it's money now. Why did you want to? It's money.
You're being difficult these days, so. Baby, how much? I have good plans. That is why I'm asking.
Good plans. It's money now. It's money I used to rent.
Just tell me how much is the
Why
money?
did you want to know?
I want to know. Okay, just tell me first, then you know why I want to know.
It's 100K there, 100K. So what did you want to know?
100K.
Yes.
No wonder someone is sweating every day in this place. Okay, that is by the way. Since you rented this place, 100K, and the money with you before, the money remaining with you is 600,000. That means it's remaining 500,000.
So you've not been eating. You've not been the vehicle that moved our artist down to this place. You think I use water to pay him, Abi? Where do you think I got the money to pay him? I use water to pay him. I gave him papers. I plucked leaves from the tree. I give to him.
Even if you pay very quick, it will not be that much. How many loads do we have? It's not just this few loads that you will pick. And you are talking about eating. How much do I feed on? Do we even used to cook as before again? Even if you spend much, it will not be how much is remaining then? How much is remaining?
Oh God. What is your problem today, Eki? Every day you be bringing different things. I don't understand you any longer.
I'm trying to plan.
It's remaining 380K. You keep planning.
380K.
Madam planner. Yes, 380K.
That is nice. I was thinking, baby, that my boutique business I will plan before all those babele people might come and take away the money. I still have it in mind though. I want to still run that boutique business at least, so that this will be easy. Imagine now, just yesterday you finished the whole money, it's remaining 380K. Before you know, now I will not know how the whole money will go. So let me do something with it before it's too late. So you will give me the money. Let me start up a business. That business, so that I will not be bothering you for food again or anything I need in the house. Okay? You just give me the money so that we can start up a business.
Wow. Look at this guy. This guy said, my God.
You know who I'm talking to? Baby, nah. Just okay, think about it now.
Allow me to have peace of mind.
Instead of you holding that money and there's no interest coming in, it's not good. If you give it to me now, I'll make good use of it. Before you know, we may rise again. I need this house that is suffocating somebody every day. Everywhere is tight. Look at everything.
GT, right?
Your love is saying you don't feel. That's my brain, like a football. Say this your love.
Sure you don't use the number.
Love and
Already have your card number saved.
Yeah, lot of fun. Thank you. Baby, thank you.
Well, plan, no. You want to plan. Plan. Take your phone, Joe. Look at your phone.
Thank you.
my friends don't tell me, say nothing like love. Mama give me this.
This woman, you are joking with fire. You don't know me. Pablo! What are you saying?
Okay, waiting. You know if you buy me phone, you want to scatter the phone for ground. You know you have to see this phone. Look.
This room has changed, oh.
Okay. Change and white.
Look at wallpaper. It must be very expensive.
Okay. Sorry, I want to ask you one question. You dey jealous me?
Jealousy for what?
Really?
Are you okay?
You say make I stay with a quick die. God no go shame us. God no go shame us at all.
But you've not answered my question. When did you get money to do this thing?
God also. God no go shame you also.
What kind of hustle?
Hey, see me. You dey pay me, abi you no dey pay me?
Last month I did not pay you. When did you get money to do this stuff?
You dey pay me before, abi you no dey pay me?
And so, look at what you've done. Look at this stuff that I was saying. There was one opening here.
Oyibo call am transformation. And God do am, but no be me o. It's the Lord's doing. Okay, just let me be. I don't do all the ass work you say man do. I don't clean. I clean your palace. Go check and I clean everywhere. Yeah, that place make carpet hold this. Yeah, hold them for here. I clean now.
My clothes. Don't forget to take them to the laundry. Okay.
I go wash am by myself. Laundry, it go cost you money now. Since you know how to use money, I will follow you the medicine. Yeah? The clothes I go wash am by myself. Madam no madam clothes. Oga. You fit come sleep for here this night, oh no wahala. You and madam fit still come sleep for here this night. They plan my matter.
I've not heard from you, sis. Okay, you are with it already. Okay. Make sure you pick a very nice one. Okay.
Madam, stand.
Call you back. Let me call you back, okay?
Madam, wait. You know what I this cutty board? Oh, what your guy tell me today? I want your cleaner come off from my ear. I don't like the way they do me. Just imagine, you just enter my room, you don't they complain. Yeah, you get money do like this, you get money do like that. Me, I no just understand this your guy again. I no just understand that. We are get money do like this. Me, I get man go die because you carry us come up for where they stay. Go put us inside that before. You say make person no live well again.
Questioning you about your money.
My money will be the talk now, sef. Now the money. He say my room don't fine. It's because the room no fine. My house come fine. Now you be the quarrel, make the quarrel me say so.
And he's having issue with it.
This thing not tire you?
It's like poverty has soaked into that man's blood to the extent there. He doesn't like good thing again.
I dey pity for you. I dey pity for you. How can you imagine? Oga don work for how many years? Say na 1.6 million carry come outside. Madam, if you enter my room, you go know say Oga dey pay me money o. Small money may dey pay me.
Eh?
Yes o.
Oga dey pay you money.
It's now they pay me now. If they call the question, me say you have for see this, you have for see money to do my room. I just say Marco tell you, may you solve stuff, you follow and talk. Oh.
Don't mind him. I will talk to him about that. What is
Madam,
that?
wait. You dey suspect Oga?
Suspect?
Yeah.
How?
You know they suspect her?
No. What do you mean?
No, it's alright. So you know they suspect her? You don't have to sit down for us, whether I give you food shop, you know give you food shop, you just the...
Yeah, but the little one is bringing, I'm managing it.
You manage very well. I don't know how many years you work for bank. You don't know how many years you work for bank. You know they check it, bit. I might tell you one secret, not me, you don't know. Oga get one small girlfriend for us, I made they spend the money. Oh.
Pablo, tell me something.
Oh.
You don't mean it?
It's alright. It's alright.
You saw him?
Eh?
You saw him?
What if I saw him? Okay, the way for saw. I saw you once, so you go saw me, you see where you see saw.
I'll be thinking about it.
See!
I see, my husband worked
Yeah,
10 years.
the
in that
1.6 million here you save for bank.
1.6 million.
It's alright. After that 1.6 million, uncle don't dey ask. Carry us go put for rat hole. Smoke with the. See me, I don't like live that life. For me, I go flex. If you know say you join me flex, you join me. Now Oga poverty life, you want follow, you follow Oga poverty life. As for me, tell your husband, me allow me be. You never pay me this month and no complain. Now because of you, I dey look out.
No, don't worry, I'll talk to him. Pablo, come. Come. They gave it now, I want to ask you.
Hey, madam, don't speak broken. This one serious. Ask me.
Tell me the truth. You know say, na my paddy you be.
My life no be you for this house.
This thing I want to say, tell me the truth.
Because I mean,
Me and you know say, no be money where Oga dey pay you. Make you take the day. Tell me the secret. Pablo, where you for the see those plenty money? Tell me, you know say you be my person. Pablo.
Madam. That question, Hey! Madam, you want to know? I also. Madam, you still join with me the also. Yes. You join. You join with me the also.
Serious?
Yes. I the also bet. You need to go happen. I want me do me you say if you want cash bed, if you want cash bed, you know you carry cash once you go fly. You understand? You the dress near the bed, small. You understand? So,
that program struggle.
You know, you just follow an easy problem. So you need to go up where the name is small. You understand how they make the money. If you, no say I first tell you, if you want follow good life line, you follow my line. If you want follow poverty line, you follow your girl.
I'll follow you. I cannot come and die you.
No die you. I no pray me you die. Not, I don't tell you the truth. You think say you the dress near me small.
No worry.
You call me as I tell you. But if you say me, I tell you direct now.
No worry. Boy, you find me small thing, Pablo. Find me small thing. Go inside, come out.
Wait.
Don't go come out.
Okay,
find me small thing.
Okay, see. I know. I'll find you. Wait first. You do me one favor. When you carry come off for us, you carry money for pockets. If you come, tell me give you small thing. If he give you, you strictly commit now. Act joyfully. Me no say na small one I go give you.
Okay.
If he give you commit me again. Act joyfully.
Pablo.
I no be stingy man. Okay, don't forget to. Let me see one day your guy may leave me alone. I never near him.
I will talk to him.
Talk to Ran. Why maybe say if you talk to Ran the year for inside my house?
I'll talk to him. Let me leave you alone.
Leave me. Meanwhile, if you don't give you, me no say na small I go give. If you don't give you, I go address you.
Baby, what's up now?
Where are you coming from?
That's how to welcome me. You didn't even tell me welcome. No.
Stand up. I want to check something. You left home since morning and you are just coming. And
What are you doing?
you expected me to welcome you very well.
What's the meaning of this?
Yeah, baby, turn around.
What are you doing?
So you mean nothing is left? Eh?
I don't understand. I left home with just 500 naira and I used one.
Let me hear 500 naira. You took a lot of money with you. And all you came home with is 350. Look at
Said
what
I
you
left
came
home with 500
So it's
naira
true.
from Gosi. True.
So it's
What
true,
is
eh?
true? What is true?
Oh,
What are you talking about? What is
this one
true?
you are joking with me. So all you do is take away money, go out from money tonight and squander
Please,
it and
you know
bring.
what?
Come with empty hand. What did
Go
you
and
buy?
look.
You did not buy anything from the money. Look at what is remaining. Eh? Who have you been spending the money on? It's obvious.
Obvious.
It's obvious, so cause my
What's
dad.
obvious?
My dad is getting clear now.
Now what?
When I'm done with you will use your hand and run from this house. Come, where are you going to?
What now? Let me be for God's sake. What's your problem?
Where are you going to? Give me. So you want to, what are we eating? You want to take away the money so that you go and spend it again. Come and come! This one will not even serve anything though. Eh? Is it rice and easy to cook or even your own words? Wow! Look at everywhere. Your room is.
Madam,
Pablo, I will just admire your room. Oh.
it's the Lord's doing.
Your room is beautiful.
God no go shame us. So.
Did everything now. Look how neat everywhere is.
Madam, we thank God. Oh.
Even this word I wanted to follow you. Everywhere is now okay now.
Oga go use and punish me now. No let you be do Oga.
Don't mind him. If you could use the little money that my husband is paying you to do things like this, and what I want is using money for. That you cannot use it and do something meaningful. Eh? I keep wondering.
God no go shame us. God no go shame us. Ola, you no dey smile now. Wetin happen?
How will I smile? 350. Out of
No
money.
money me Oga pay for rice this morning.
Ba. Money huge wey carry comot.
Madam, I dey tell you. I dey tell you.
That thing you are telling me, I'm beginning to suspect.
Madam, I no dey carry talk.
Husband is investing in somewhere
I no
else.
dey carry talk. Me know wetin your oga fit do. Me know wetin he fit do.
315 naira.
No worry.
What will I use it to do?
We'll plan the matter. I get wetin. I get plan. I get plan. But no worry, Sha. If I tell you say I will give you something, so no worry. Just take add a joint.
What will I do without you? This is much, oh.
Oh Lord.
This one I will buy plenty meat.
Hey, madam.
Oh God.
Anytime you feel you come visit me for here, me no let those cockroach be there Oga room,
I will be coming. This place is very nice. At least look at AC. Look at everywhere.
Don't worry.
You feel at home.
Just be calm.
Okay.
Madam. You come. You come.
I miss you guys so much. Like, see, I have missed you guys a lot. Like, school has been a hell. Like, I've been studying very hard, but the thing is that the girls, they have been distracting me, like disturbing me. I'm just
disturbing you.
You've not seen it. You know Amaka, that girl that we grew up together. That girl, she was trying to get my attention, like so that I can do something with that. But I didn't. I just ditched her and I was like, nothing. Like, fine boys now. We don't mingle with girls.
So what you're saying is that you are very handsome.
Yes, now I'm a
and
fine
Amaka is
boy.
not your taste.
She's not my type. Like, seriously. But you know what? You know the funny story. She got pregnant for a cultist.
That is serious, so. The movie is very interesting.
Baby.
Steve! Oh, boss!
Are you around?
You're welcome, sir.
How are you doing?
I just came in, sir. Welcome, sir.
Wow,
Yes, sir.
that's nice. That's everybody at home now.
You're fine, sir. I'm just coming from the school. I just left them in the guys.
Really?
Yeah.
But you didn't even tell me that Steve is coming.
Guys, I wanted to surprise you guys. You know what I mean? I don't want you guys. I just wanted to make it a surprise. So that's
Steve.
I'm okay.
That's everything now.
I'm fine.
What about Mom Steve? Dad, Pops, everybody. Hope they are good.
They're all fine.
That is nice.
Yes.
Wow. You are just coming, right?
Yes.
Okay, see that. Hope the journey wasn't stressful.
Although it was stressful, you know Nigeria now, our road is very bad. I won't lie, the road was very bad. But in our village, you know that our road now, that people were complaining of that time you're coming to come and carry out. They maintain it, it's okay now, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, that is nice. You're welcome, man.
Yeah.
So when you are done watching your movie, I will take you to.
No, I'm done. I can just go now. I'm okay. I can go now. You can take me there now.
Okay, you're ready. Okay, that's nice. Baby, let me quickly take him to Pablo's room. You'll be sharing the same room with the houseboy, okay?
Okay. No,
Hope you would mind.
no, I don't mind. I don't
Okay,
mind.
so let's go.
Alright, sir.
Oh.
Okay, sis, I'm coming.
So you said mom is okay, right?
Yeah, she's
Oh,
okay.
no, nice to hear.
I'm enjoying it. It's very.
Are you sure?
Yummy.
Food, yeah. Look at you. That is why you finish one packet of Indomie.
Auntie, see, it's not in this thing. It's not. I can finish it, but this food is so delicious.
Oh,
Enjoying the
baby.
I'm enjoying myself.
Please, you quickly dish my food. Let me eat. I'm back going out. My producer is waiting for me.
Monster.
So yeah, Steve.
Monster.
What's up now? How was your night?
Fine.
Don't mind me, Joe. You already Saturday.
Honey, there's no food though. It was the last 3 Indomie in the carton I prepared just because of Joe. If I will go to market to cook, no food. Maybe if you get there, you find something to eat now.
I thought
Okay?
you bought food. There's no food at home. Okay.
No food at home. You know that.
Okay, no problem. Steve, let me quickly rush to the studio. My producer's waiting for me, okay? You guys should take care, no problem, okay?
Alright.
Yeah.
Those go to work without eating.
Is that why you gave me that look?
Yes, ma'am. Why would you not cook for your husband and you are giving me food? It's like I'm taking his position in this house. I don't understand. I don't like this. It's not.
Don't disturb me. If you don't want to eat, you drop it.
It's not that I will not eat. I will eat, but you're supposed to give him food now.
There's no food.
At least he's going to work in the morning. He's supposed to eat to be edible, so I could be able to work well.
Good Samaritan. Give him to eat.
Let me eat too. But it's not good though. I'm telling you.
No, I will not prepare this food for you. I'll just leave it
Then
outside.
I'll tell mommy for you. I think you are not giving me food.
Don't disturb me with that issue again.
Just.
Or else, I will use hunger and finish it before you get back.
I'm sorry, oh, I'm sorry.
Because you are.
Hey, auntie. What you are cooking has brought me home. See, I'm hungry. I'm very hungry.
I thought you were sleeping.
I just woke up.
What woke you up?
Hungry now. It's already 4 o'clock and I'm not eating afternoon food. You just add more effort, put more effort. I want to eat.
It's almost ready. It was even because of you I had to rush.
Please, I like the scent.
Don't worry.
I believe it's gonna be ice. Alright.
You will help me clear those space.
Me? Yeah. See.
What are you saying? If you like, don't do it. It's because of you I have to run down the market to prepare this food. And I asked you to help me do this thing and you're calling me big boy. By the time I'll use hunger and finish you, you know me. It's because you just came newly, that's why I'm doing all these things. Trust me. By the time you'll be spending up to a week now, I'll bring the other color out.
Yeah, auntie, start being auntie. See, fine boy.
Clear those things. Fine boy. And yet you don't have money. Hello? Pablo, where are you? Since yesterday, and you left home, you didn't even call. I'll be trying your line and it's not going. I beg, wherever you are, don't come back home. You know this man now, he wants to finish me. At least if you're around now, you'll be giving me joy. I even have packages. I even have package for you. I have a surprise for you. Just come. Okay? Right. Quick, oh? And make sure you're safe. Alright.
Both of asking and requesting for barbecue and Hollandian boat.
What about it?
But how should you smile like this when you are discussing with your husband? And it's very surprising. See, let me advise you. I know I'm not married, but as a big boy, I understand all these things.
Big boy.
If your husband finds out or he understands or sees you talking like this, if it is me, I'll kick it off you. It's not fair. I'm just telling you the truth. So, For Christ's sake.
Why are you complaining? My husband that is my husband that marries me knows that I do like that.
He knows.
Does he complain?
Okay, it's not my business then.
Oh.
If your husband knows about it, who am I? So if you bring
No, as far as you see issue with the way he talks to me when I talk to him,
no,
you're not taking that out.
You said it's a normal thing, so I don't see any issue. So I don't mind. I will take from the Hollandia yogurt. So you should buy 2.
Chop.
You know your brother.
Anyway, chop takes this. You are there.
It's like I got chop something. Yes, so.
Okay. Food is ready.
Okay.
I'm done.
Let me go out. Let me go and wash my hands.
Saludos para todos los que están aguardando este partido. Ojalá tengamos un maravilloso espectáculo. Mete la pierna y gana la pelota. A ver si se salva con este contraataque. ¡Y le da duro!
My door is open.
Hey, what's up? Yeah, this boy. What's up, man? I'm busy, man. What's up?
You there, Chris?
Man, what's going on, man? I'm just having fun. Can you sit down now? Join me, let's play this game. I'm really bored. I'm the only one playing it, eh? Okay, let's join me, understand? Man, this phone. Yeah, what's up, man? What's going on?
You where?
I'm okay, man. I'm okay. What's going on now? I took care of the room. Oh, don't mind the scattered room. That is that. What's up, man? What's going on?
Hey, I don't understand. Come on, shut up. You use all this English.
I don't understand.
How you say that?
I was my house, for Christ's sake. I'm here to just spend some time, then I'll go back.
That's what he tell you.
Yes.
That's what the man tell you. I've been your sister tell you.
They are the owner of the house. That's what they told me.
No. Now the man tell you, not your sister tell you like that.
They both told me. I don't understand. You're supposed to be a houseboy. You're disturbing me. I don't understand. Please, on this thing, let me. I don't understand.
Wait, sit down and talk to me. The body this one. If you do pen here. If you do pen.
Okay, I'll tell myself.
I said sit down. Follow it to say.
Okay, I'm a man. I will not follow you to fight now. I will leave you do.
Sure? See everywhere. See my bed.
I finished sleeping. I'm not as in arrange anything.
This room apart from you.
I don't have anybody. I'm the only one inside. I've been the only one inside since.
You sure?
Yes.
They come. You raise this bed?
Yes. I was trying to know. Start some. I even saw some money and I ate the money. Yeah.
My money?
I thought the money. Don't you have a bank account? You're supposed to go and be.
Go punish you there.
Okay.
Go a boy.
Okay.
Wait, you na madam brother, I been a madam boy for another man. I don't understand. Or you na, I know you anyway. Make I go meet whosoever bring you come this house. Maybe say na the room. Make I don't suffer. Do without the money no dey involved. Now they go carry you put.
I don't understand. You're pressing me.
Shut up. You teach anybody there.
I want to go.
Shut up. Sit down there.
Thank you.
If you do PEM, I will kill you before any mother or oga come here. I said shut up! You should talk. Before I go oga place come now, permission this bed, you do arrange am. Sweep this room if I'm up.
I'm not doing anything. Why are you the houseboy? Boy, you're supposed to be doing everything.
You want to talk?
Yeah, the houseboy. How can I be sweeping? I've been keeping this dirty place for you to come. If you come, you arrange it by yourself. I'm supposed to be here, enjoying myself.
Shut up. If I strangle you here before my oga come. Shut up. You not teach you manners? I say shut up, no talk. Shut up. I say shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Anyway, I dey come. Make I go meet oga. If na he bring you come, na madam bring you come, go know. Rubbish. If you know that here, you say first.
Better get ready. Go and come back because you are leaving this house. You are leaving this cannot happen. In fact, I'm going to tell my sister. Hold on this one.
blow. People Gary said for you soak never blow. Patient dog don't get share for the bone. Guy, people Gary said for you soak never blow. Patient dog don't get share for the bone.
Okay, well done.
Pablo, how are you? How you doing?
Fine. In fact, no fine.
So how was the journey?
Like, different. The journey different, but now no fine.
What happened?
Who you go put for my room now?
That is my wife's younger brother, for God's sake. That is what's his name? Stevie. Steve. Don't you know Steve again? That little boy. You should know Steve now. Hope you know Alima very well even before you people were friends. So you should know Steve. That is Steve, Alima's brother, my wife's brother. Challenge. I'm sorry I didn't inform you first, but you were not around, so there's no.
Why you wicked me like this?
I don't understand.
Why you wicked me? As I know, you just anytime you always dey find way to make sure say I no dey happy.
Pablo, I wanted that boy to stay with you because he's a young man, so you can just help me like a kind of bring him up, just like that.
Bring weight up. First made up big pass, now wants to bring up again.
I don't understand.
That I'm going to stay in my room.
Where is he going to stay?
I don't know. If you can't go stay for your room, you don't stay in my room.
Look,
I'm not use my money to do that, but no stay. I'm here.
I am the one that rented this apartment.
I'm me use my money to one.
Okay, now you use your money to arrive.
Yes.
Since you are the one that use your money to
I don't know. You know go stay.
Those things you renovated, you pack everything out. Is that clear? Leave the room for me and it's going to stay there. I've said it. I am the owner of the house. You can't tell me what to do in my house. Are you okay? What is the meaning of that? Eh? Will you be the one giving me direction what to do in my house? Are you okay?
House.
He's going to stay there and he's going to stay there.
House.
Nobody's going to change it.
Oga house.
Even I know my wife always support you, but this is not going to work.
Oga
today.
house, Abi.
I've told you.
Oga house.
You can leave this place now.
Oga house.
I said leave this place. I'm here composing lyrics. Pressure is on me. I'm working on my album. I am making noise. I was composing lyrics before you came. What's the meaning of that? Keeping you quiet this and turn it to another thing. Ah!
This man, he just detends me because I know I shake body. Me they don't understand. He just detends me. They call that mushroom house. He rent house. Ask me why for the complaint. They call her mushroom. They call her house. You rent house. I do this. I do that. Huh? You never know what I will go do when I come up for house for how many days now. They raise you down. That way, you know, go stay in my room. You know, go stay at all, Stevie. Who is Stevie? I don't know. You know, go stay. You go anyway. I'm just patient. Make I know what Madam want to talk first. Then I go know the next month. But stay that boy, stay that room this night. I go use pillow press your neck. Since now Oga no fit even the supporter. I go use pillow press your neck this night.
Great man. How you doing? How's everything? You've been to my office, right? Yeah. From something I don't think it's still today, but I come to something. I'll say, yeah, just go. Let's check. You know, I'm done with your work on the race, but
Okay.
I still need some little touches. You understand?
But you've done the mastery.
Yeah. Let me play something. Let me play something.
Wait. What's along that tree?
I know I can walk on water, but I know I can do my best. You the way I'm meant to be. See my face, I'm such
Wait, let me hear this
preacher man. I know I'm a preacher man. See, I'm a preacher man. I know I'm a preacher man. Yeah.
It seems you like the song. This guy, right?
I'm going to work with this guy.
Okay, no problem.
So how do I, what do I do to meet him? Like, I'm serious. So what will happen is that you do me a favor, please.
Okay.
You give him his number.
Oh, so sorry. I don't have his number right now.
Seriously?
I don't have his number. Except maybe when he comes next time, I'll tell him, get his contacts. I'll get back to you.
Okay.
Oh,
you have my contact already. You can just give me my contact. So I'll let him reach out to me.
Sure, I'll do that.
Thank you very much.
Why do you like the song like that?
But no, if you take analysis of that song, it's very few Nigerian artists that can put on something like that.
Yeah,
okay, let's from the chorus. You know I can go come water, but I can do my best. Like it's something.
It means a lot.
It means a lot.
Yeah, right.
The guy has what treats me about him is he has lyrics in his head. Yeah, swears.
Sure. All right, no problem. I'll get back to you.
Okay.
All right. Just take care of yourself, bro. Take care. Take care. All right. Bro,
Oh, please, sir.
Yeah.
Do me a favor, please. Ensure you get to him.
Sure.
And once you get to him, let me know.
Sure, no problem.
For now, I want. I very much I want.
Okay, no problem.
All right now.
I'll do that, bro. I'll do that. Don't worry. Take care.
All right.
Yeah. Oof, man, I'm so tired. Hello, Alpha Babazi. How your side now? Oh boy, you don't blow. Show, we'll talk. Serious now, you do the joke. Show. Got to talk, man. You don't blow, you don't blast, guy. Your song don't cast. Seriously. Okay now. I respect you. They come now, she. Alright now. I respect you. I bet quick go. Okay now, bro. Okay now. I greet you, eh. This guy, eh. Oh boy, now so what they do for person, no. Serious. I don't expect this kind of sudden blow with this guy don't blow so.
How far now?
Bro!
Wetin is so?
Shit!
You know say they blow. You ask me.
I say you don't blow. Seriously, I'm gonna tell you so.
Wetin is so? What?
You get one big artist who they follow me work now.
Yeah.
They call the guy Patrick Quality.
I don't want to I just know that guy I saw the other day. I was telling you. Don't be going to I see that day.
You know what person get? You know the value am. Feel the song. Papa Z.
I know I can do no. Yeah.
The guy say love this song.
Seriously, I just do this song.
No, that's not now.
You the whine me or something?
No, be whining. Now tell you.
This shall be joke. If you are serious, let me know. I beg. Particularly,
what the person get? Person know the value.
Particularly, don't work with people, different artists, two faces. I mean, who know me?
No, see, brother. Now what you the reason? But you tell me, say make I give your number. Seriously? So you guys can discuss seriously. Seriously. So imagine now, you don't know.
I don't want to believe this. I don't want to believe this at all.
Seriously. So you know, say as me now, that form. You understand? You know, a big artist now. So I got form say, guy, I know if you give this guy control. So you understand? On a very good day, I will give you. So right now, you are a superstar.
Wait. Now let's be serious. Between me and you.
Okay.
Between me and you, let's be serious.
Yeah.
You know, me, Patrick, I appreciated my song.
Seriously. He appreciates your song, so say he not listen to your own. He was just beating. Who sang this song? Who will be the person who will sing this song? Who put it?
I don't want to believe it. Let's see the guy face. Why you not gonna give him my control?
No, you can't see. If I don't give a lot, you don't look cheap. No reason that one.
Hey, guy, when I don't change your mind, though. If you are serious, if you change your mind, guy, I don't take a lightly with you.
I don't know. Don't worry.
Opportunity come.
Don't worry.
Once in a lifetime,
it's not cool. You get out to do our things. No, you're not my guy now. Don't be fuck you. No, understand?
Seriously.
Seriously.
Oh, look, I tell God, oh, hit me fine, man. Mr. St. Patrick, hey, I can't believe this. I don't want to believe. But yeah, I see that guy.
Now reality.
What? Man, today it's flexing or flexing, you know.
I'm trying to call him, but he's not picking.
Man, I can't just wait. Man.
Hey, boss, I greet you. I don't call you Italian, no, boss. Yeah, I'm with that my guy I told you about now. That you heard the song in my studio, Baba Z. Yeah, we are together now. We did that band, we're not too far from my studio, so yeah. Sure, for that sharp one, I'll just did it now. Okay, now we've been here for about 30 minutes now, boss. You see this up now? Okay. Now we'll wait. No water. He's coming, don't worry. Oh, brother, you don't get this contract.
Oh, maybe you don't go.
You don't get this contract.
Man.
Don't worry yourself. See, because you gave me your best.
Yeah.
And you deserve the best. So you get so don't worry about that. We still be here.
I can't just wait. When that song, don't be anything now. Every day. So it's part of us. It's our DNA.
Hello. Okay. Oh, you're at my studio. Okay.
St. Patrick?
No. One of my artists. I got to move. You know my job. She understand.
Yeah, no issue. Okay, that is I'll wait for him now.
Yeah, just wait for him. I already told him you're here. I know this place.
Okay.
Yeah, just wait for him. Okay. You know what to do now.
Yeah.
Now I'll believe you now.
Okay.
Give him attitude.
Don't
act cheap. Like say you need down. She understand. Just at least give some.
I mean a big artist. I don't blow. I have issues. Trust me.
Brother, I just try and get the best. Just try and get the best because right now we need to get the best. You understand? Take care. Now my guy, no worry. Go follow you reason well.
Okay.
Excuse me. This Babazis.
Yeah.
Babazis.
Yeah.
Home of lyrics.
I'm
Patrick.
Patrick.
Yeah.
I'm greet you, man. What up now?
I'm cool.
Yeah,
I guess
you care for something. I mean.
Thank you. I'm just coming from a function and I'm okay. Or you care for more?
No, don't worry.
That's good. I guess your producer already told you.
Yeah.
Right? And like seriously, I must confess. When I heard that, I said one thing in my mind. You are a home of lyrics.
Seriously,
that song is named dope.
Thank you.
I was surprised.
It's the dog I really receive appreciation like this.
Like somebody from this vicinity can put up such lyrics together. Wow, you are good. I actually have a proposition for you.
Okay.
I don't know how you're gonna say it, but I just want to put it on the table for you to consider. It's up to you though. So actually I'm not very good at it though, but you know that's my dad now. So he has invested a lot in me and don't want to something. So I really want you to work with me.
Really? So is it like you want to feature me yours album or what?
I think that would be in the future. But as it stands now, I want to be part of that song.
Part of that song? Like you want to, I don't understand.
Okay, what I want is this. I want you to create a space for me in that song. It will be Babazis featuring Patrick Bulletin, and I will do the sponsor to any platform, anywhere it can go. And trust me, I believe that song will go far. What you need now is resources. You have the talent, I have the resources. Put talent and resources together. It's all limited.
Yeah, I'm really very happy about that, Mr. St. Patrick. That's nice, but that song is for a purpose, you understand? So you come into that song, it's like try to deviate from the purpose. But it's okay if you want to sponsor. We understand the
Come on, please. Let me not cut you short. But you have to pay me for that. I know everything is for a purpose.
Yeah.
This one I'm doing is for a purpose.
You understand?
They say I'm full of myself, but let us stay this way. Let me say, I just want you to please bring me into this. I really want to. For a purpose as well.
Okay. But let me see what I can do, because I'm not just working alone, you know. I have my team, so I need to consult my manager. But no matter what, you will definitely hear from me. But I will still need to consult my manager first. Let's say I do it.
I'll take a number.
Okay, that's cool.
I'll get to you.
Okay, that's it.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
It's nice meeting you.
Okay.
It's my honor.
Okay. So take good care, okay?
Alright.
Yeah. So I'll call you. I'm going to give you a call.
scam. Street na confirm. Carry lappy, one press to Dubai. Yahoo, 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 in my time last, we shall all be alright.
Flex my hustle, my hustle, job flex my hustle, anything to ride. Flex my hustle, job flex my hustle.
Oh yeah, go inside, go inside.
Anything to ride. If you know make hands.
Let me rest. What the small stone and let me work.
Oh, my hustle, my hustle.
Wake up.
What's all this now? Wait, where did you put this thing in my nose? No, I cannot breathe. You are the one causing all this.
Okay, you know if you breathe for nose again, eh? Now you call the breathe for nyash.
See.
Eh?
You are disturbing my peace.
Come here. You know if you breathe for nose, you call the breathe for nyash. They smell everywhere. They mess anyhow in the night. Now so you know.
Eh! I don't want to beat you. I can't.
I thought you don't want to beat me. Don't want to. See, before I open my eye, close it. Yeah. Go for it.
It's me that want to leave this room. It's not you that is driving me.
Let me warn you before you leave. If you like seeing me drive you, if you like seeing you leave, or now leave.
Because tomorrow you are leaving this house.
Okay.
You see now.
Listen.
I don't want to go and wake them now. You have leave this house this night.
I
want to leave this room.
Starting from today, eh? They say time don't reach for you, small people like you to sleep. Eh? You hear me?
Me, I'm not a small child.
Now you know.
Me, it's because I don't want to show myself.
Let me tell you something.
I used to fire wrestling.
Wait, make I tell you.
Think all these moves that I have that want to intimidate. Ah, shit.
Today, in fact, starting from now, so before I open my eyes, no ever come this room go sleep again.
I'll sleep.
I just say make a
But I'll drive you first. You leave this house.
Come on, forget.
Yeah, I want to leave.
Come on.
I don't want to fight you. Because if I should fight, I'm going. Take it easy, guys. Take it easy. I'll.
No wonder I come that day and say all my air fresheners don't finish. I don't know say the mess the night, the mess the every day worry himself. God, I pray this my clients never ever go offline. Atoka. Eh? Maybe with the pig. Which kind bad belly work this guy just give me this night? With his snoring and messing, with the way they snore, with the way they mess. Eh? Which kind bad belly just give me? Hell! Oh, he no go sleep for this room again. Oga like am or he no like am, he no go sleep for this room again. If he sleep for here, I go use pillow press his neck before daybreak. I go talk say I no know wetin ever happen. You just spoil my work this night. All of them now don go offline. I no fit sleep. And I be expect say I go bill am this night too. Which kind devil be all this one? Oh.
This I don't know what the concept. I asked me probably I just want to leave his own room. I'm standing by my CP in the kitchen.
know this thing is not going to off those stuff. Imagine. Leave everything on. Steve! Stevie! Steve! What happened? Why are you stupid in the kitchen? Why are you stupid in the room? What happened to the bedroom? Why are you stupid in the kitchen?
Oh, it's your husband.
What happened?
I left the room for him. I was hungry. I wasn't even thinking of coming to wake you guys, but you guys are already fast asleep, so I had to, not disturb you, and I decided to come and sleep in the kitchen here. Because what he did today was very bad. He did not even start it today. He has been doing it.
See, I don't know where he got that laptop from. Where did he get laptop from?
The one that got him laptop, I wrote him in one computer training school, so I can acquire computer knowledge.
You even went as far as enrolling him into an institution where they train people.
Of course.
You see, we are the cause of our problem. This is the same thing that is happening to our country, Nigeria. We elect people that are not qualified to be leaders in our country, and now we have different problems in our country. Who do we want to blame? We are the cause of our problem. You see now, I cannot have peace of mind in that.
How does that?
Every night, you know what he does? Let me tell you. He always makes calls. He's always on the system. He's always on his phone. I don't know. I'm suspecting that he's a Yahoo boy. He's a fraudster. He's a 419. He deceives people for money.
Yes. Yahoo boy.
That's what he does. Yes.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
I'm very sure.
Do you know the word of what you are saying?
Sir, I'm telling you the truth. This is what I've seen. How can he be telling somebody that I love you? The same time he's calling the other person, he's telling the other person that I want to be with you. I'll just send me $50,000. Do we use dollars in this country? No, we use naira.
Seriously,
sir, you need to address this problem.
Pablo cannot be a fraudster.
He's a fraudster, sir. He's a fraudster. He's a 419. If you don't believe me, go and check it yourself. Everything in his room is claiming that he's the one that bought them. That you cannot see anything. That is the one that bought everything. In your own house. When we had this argument this night, I was so angry. I was even thinking of coming to your place, but I decided no, it would be a disturb. So I had to come here.
You are going back to that room. It's not going to try rubbish again. What's the meaning of that? Meanwhile, Pablo Foster.
It's a fraudster.
Pablo Foster. This is what you are doing. Okay?
Okay.
So let's go.
Tossing my brain like a football. Say this your love is to the complain. Love and I give you no they appreciate it. Say baby come for the money. For the money, yeah. For the money. I've been thinking I really that inspire me the love. My friends don't tell me say nothing like love. Mama give me the shit, man. Make I see from you. Papa give me the gold. Make I declare my conscience. Hey, let me tell you, say give me nothing like love. Them go do you till me da-na-na. I just scatter your brain. Them go do you da-na-na. Till me da-na-na.